Stop it, Simba.
So what's going on, man? We back with another video today, y'all. First off, I'm about to wash the car. I ain't washed the car in about 2 weeks or so it's time to wash the car. But mainly I need to wash the car because I don't know how, but let me show y'all this. I don't know how, but there's gum all over my car, and I don't know if my son was chewing gum and threw it out the window, but there's more gum right there, and there's a bunch of it right there, if y'all can see it. Yeah, I can see the little sticky part. Yeah, right there. So definitely about to wash this joint up real quick because I really don't understand how he got gum on the car, or if he even did it, how gum got on the car, period. So I'm about to stick 2 GoPros up, one there, just wash the car real quick. Nothing crazy, but y'all see the title of the video. I'm gonna show y'all the top mods y'all need for pretty much your first couple weeks of owning a car, right? And look at this already too. Ridiculous. I don't know how this happened either. So this is definitely like marked up. This is scratched up. It must have been a crazy rock. I just don't understand it, man. I'm getting the car detailed and stuff soon, so hopefully he can fix that up. The only reason it's not detailed right now is because the dealerships don't have the touch-up paint bottled up yet. So for those that don't know, when my son threw a rock and he did this right here, well, I haven't got it fixed yet because they don't have the touch-up paint available yet. So I went to the dealership and no touch-up paint was bottled up yet. So pretty much I've been calling week to week, seeing if they got the bottles ready, which they don't yet. So but let's give her a quick wash and I'm gonna show y'all those mods, man, those mandatory mods, especially if you're a father and you got a Hellcat. So let's get to it, baby. Got to get my Adams wheel cleaner. That's the first thing I should have did. Damn, too late. I already started the timer now. Alright, so the first thing I want to show y'all is this towel. So this is from Griot's Garage. This towel is crazy. So it's supposed to be like one of the highest high-end towels. This is 50 bucks. But it works wonders. So I'm gonna show y'all really quick. Y'all can see all of this is wet, right? Lay it down, pull it. So pretty much, y'all can see that right there. I didn't get the bottom half of it, but so this is where it was wet. It's all pretty much dry. So this towel works pretty good, and there's literally no effort at all. So I'm gonna show y'all the hood real quick. So obviously y'all can see the hood wet right now. I'm gonna just throw it right in the middle. Y'all probably could be able, y'all probably seen it anyway, but I'm gonna just go a close up for y'all. So look at that. Literally no effort at all. You just throw the towel down, pull it, you don't have to scrub or anything like that. And here's the wet side. Here's the wet side. Here's the dry side. So pretty clean. Look at that, it's got a nice little sparkle to it. You can see the ceiling of the car wash, look at that. That's how you know you did a good job, when you get that shine to it. Now, my car does have really minimal, look at this Challenger, y'all. That's clean. Ooh, you wash this shit quick. My car does have like small swirls in it, nothing crazy, so my detail job isn't gonna take much. It should be fairly quick and not as expensive as it should be when you pretty much going through car washes and stuff. Literally as easy as that, and that's 100% worth it, man. I'm gonna put the link in the description for y'all, because this is 100% worth it. Like, and then obviously I just gotta scrub a little bit for some of the leftover like bugs and stuff like that. But this I usually just use for the big areas. Okay, I see you, old man, flexing. That's what it sounded good too. I think I'm about to get my muffler delete tape. I think I'm about to get that done soon, because it be some cars out here that be sounding crazy, man. I want my car to sound the same. But anyway, I'm gonna holler at y'all when I'm done drying the car, I'm done cleaning it, done getting this gum off, and then I'm gonna show y'all the next couple mods. All right, so I made it back from the car wash. We managed to get most of that gum. Look how she's shining right now. Oh my God. Oh, the sun literally went right away as soon as I said that, but I managed to get most of that gum off here. It's still a little bit, you're probably like me, where your son or daughter makes a little bit of mess. So right now, a little embarrassing, but I got a towel under there right now. But I'm gonna show y'all what I bought. Another reason I got this here too, not only for the crumbs and stuff, but see the indentation from the car seat on the seats? That sucks. That one part, it sucks, but there's really not much you can do about that. It's just gonna indent just because that's the car seat. But yeah, y'all see what it is, baby. Claiming my team, man. So it's the complete seat protector. It pretty much goes on the seat. Covers you from the stains and all that good stuff and spills. And it'll make it easier to clean if they got like French fries or any of that good stuff on it. So let me see if I could crack this open real quick. All right, so we got it up. So pretty much that's how it looks. Just a nice little seat cover. This is the bottom. Oop, I can't even hold it. This is the bottom half. So it just goes right in here like this. This is actually pretty good too. So you just strap the top piece around the head, the seat cover up here. So pretty much that's how it goes. It's not the best, just good enough so that he spill. I don't let him really drink and eat in here anyway, but just for now, man. That's the second thing I got. So I'm gonna put the car seat and stuff back in later. I'm not gonna worry about that. Now, the third thing is these right here, these little seat belt covers. So shoulder pads. I love these things right here. Oh, get out of my way, email. I love these things right here, man. I had some Mopar ones for my Chrysler 200, but when I sold my car, I think I left them. I forgot to take them out. So I got SRT ones. They didn't have the Mopar ones on there anymore. I'm not sure why. I don't know if they just sold out of them, but I got these ones. These are dope. I'm gonna just slap these bad boys onto the car seat. These were like, I wanna say $8, $9. Carbon fiber, matches the carbon fiber on the thing right here. So I like these. I'm gonna put these on real quick. These are like a must buy right here. Just cause it just adds a little bit more to the seat belt. Right? So do we want it pointing up, or I think we want it pointing up. So we just put it on this side. And they're really easy to do, so just take your seat belt there. So just like that, you put your seat belt on. Boom, you got the SRT joint on the shoulder. I know some people don't like them, but I like I just like it. It just adds a little style to the car. So Always like these, but the Mopar ones I thought were better. But these ones actually have a better kind of carbon fiber pattern on them. And I mean, it's not like the greatest, but they're a little bit better. So I'm gonna throw the other one on the seat. Boom, SRT joint. Can't beat this for a couple dollars, man. It's not bad. Real easy, just spin it around, put the strap on. That's it. There you go, all done. Not bad. Like I said, when you put the seatbelt on, got the shoulder pad, got the SRT joint right there. So it just look nice little touches, man. Give it a little swag, little taste to the car. Again, those are really cheap. Those are like, I think anywhere from 7 to 15 bucks. They were dirt cheap, so I grabbed those. Now the next mod I want to show y'all too, which is I think mandatory. So that's another little mod I think you guys should do. So there's the SRT head. These are the Puddle lights. Definitely worth it. They were 30 bucks for two. So passenger and driver side door. Those I love. Again, if you see my POV video from last night, you will see them a lot more clearly during the night when they're on the ground. Those were a must for me too. This was fairly cheap too, like 7 to 10 bucks. Nice little touch just to add on to your keychain with your red key fob, like that. So the first thing was the towel. The towel is mandatory. I love that towel. That towel literally gets you done drying your car within 3 to 5 minutes instead of going all the way around the car multiple times with different towels. So way a lot easier on you, a lot less time consuming too with that towel. The second thing was the seat protector cover. So if you have kids, right, I recommend those seat protector covers. This Walmart one is all right. You probably could get a better one from like Amazon or something like that. I probably would recommend getting a better one, a little bigger one. This one was from Walmart. It was only like 20 bucks, so I just grabbed it for now until I ordered a higher quality one. Let me show y'all what that looks like again. Jesus, I got some pretty bad scratches on this car. Gotta get a detail, but that's how that one looks. It's pretty decent. It was only 20 bucks, so I didn't expect it to be crazy or anything like that. But the other mod was the Hellcat lights for the Puddle lights. I will do an install video on those. Those are very easy. They're literally just pull downs, pop in the plug and pop them back in. They're very easy. It should only take you like 3 minutes to do both. And then my last thing is, oh, I'm sorry. The other thing was the keychain. The little red carbon fiber keychain. Now my last thing is this. If you own a Hellcat, you know brake dust is very annoying. So what I got right here for y'all is the Adams polishes wheel and tire package setup right here. So you get 3 bottles. So you get the tire shine, you get, I believe, wheel cleaner. Yep, wheel cleaner. And then you get, what's this one here? Tire and rubber cleaner, right? So I think this is a mixture for both. I've never used Adams stuff before. So we're gonna test it out and see. I believe this is the wheel cleaner right here where you just spray some of it on, just clean the wheels real quick. And then you get 3, obviously you get 3 spray tops. You get a brush for the tires. This is not for your wheels. Do not use this on your wheels. This is not soft enough for the wheel. I would not use this for the wheel, just for the tire. So you get a tire brush, and then you get the Adams microfiber wheel wash mitt. So you put your hand in there and you can wash it between the wheels, yada yada. Now I was supposed to do this at the car wash earlier today, but I forgot to wash the wheels first, which is dumb. But what I'm gonna do really quick is I'm gonna use the tire cleaner. Use the tire and rubber cleaner, clean all the wheels really quick, and then I'm gonna use the wheel cleaner first, then I'm gonna use the tire rubber cleaner, then the wheel cleaner, then I'm gonna put tire shine on after, and I'm gonna see how it comes out. So let's take a look. Let's do one of these wheels real quick and let's take a look and see how it comes out. Yeah, I can see they're already turning purple. Oh, let me move that out of the way. So yeah, I can see they're turning purple. So that chemical must be working pretty well. This is really nice. I like this. Really nice quality too. Fits your hand pretty snug in there. Let's go ahead and scrub this joint up. Right. Look at every little piece. And then Now, obviously I would do this a different way, but this is just a quick little, just want to show y'all how well this stuff works and why I think it's part of the top 5 things you must have when you buy your Hellcat or any other high performance car that has a lot of brake dust, because you want to be able to get these things clean real quick. You don't want to be fighting with it all day, right? So let's do that. So I should be a nice little, let me get in the barrel. You want to get all the way in the barrel, each side. Right? And then boom, let's go get our little hose. Now, any other day I would use my power washer, but until I get the end of my driveway fix, which I have to wait for the city to come and do. Yeah, man, that stuff actually works pretty well. You don't have to go crazy with it. Just clean it down. Make sure you got all that purple definitely inside the little bolts. And that's pretty much it. Now obviously this wheel looks a lot better than the back one, because the back one's still dirty, but you really shouldn't have to clean your back wheels that much. Should just be the fronts. And boom, that's it. Those babies is clean. That was literally no effort. I got in there and scrubbed just a little bit, and boom, they back to being pretty clean. Let me see. Yeah, no, they back to being pretty clean. That easy. So I love this stuff. Definitely one of the things y'all should buy if y'all looking to get one of these. Even any car, actually. So I got this $50 kit off of Amazon, and it's been working great. I love it. It works pretty good. So that was just with me spraying it down, using that little mitten, hand mitten to get in between, and then washing it right down compared to this one. Y'all can see this one is just a tad bit darker because some of the brake dust is there, but I have to clean the back ones. I'll clean the back ones too. I just want to show y'all the front, for example. But those are just a few accessories I like to buy. I bought that pretty much give me just a little bit more style and flavor to the car, man. And I love it. So let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all use for y'all accessories, because definitely the Adams wheel tire cleaner is mandatory. Definitely mandatory. Way more easier to clean the wheels and stuff now. So, but that's all I got for y'all today, man. I'm out. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so I got my dyno tomorrow. So y'all should see a dyno video coming real soon. Then I also got, I'm gonna show y'all. Bam. I ain't gonna tell y'all what's in it, but after the dyno, that's getting installed on the car as well. So make sure y'all stay tuned, baby. We're gonna see you on the next couple of videos, man. We out, man.